Hey guys, we're Galaxy 5 here. Today I got this package from Amazon. I ordered something, so it's gonna be some sort of surprise. So we got this in an envelope, so let's go open it. I'm gonna use these scissors, because why not? This is pretty hard to cut. Okay. And we got a Baldi figure. Here it is. So it got with a fake looking quarter, and then that think pad, and then Baldi as well. Here's the people that were the figures we can collect and stuff. And you know, this is an action figure. And yeah, let's just open this. It will be a little hard to open, but okay. Oh. This is confusing. This is confusing to hold. So as you can see, the background is the detention room, and sometimes wall. Okay, so this is like the old version of the game. It says, "Hi, welcome to our schoolhouse." You cannot see the whole thing because it got broken. So okay, so here's Baldi. That looks cool. This is actually official. He usually has like this quarter in the you can think pad. So let's try to make him like hold the think pad. Okay. It's pretty hard. It's like a handle for the. Oh yeah, there you go. And the quarter. Okay. It may be hard because you know the hands are a bit small, but it's okay. Whatever. So here is the Baldi figure. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So bye.